In this video, I'll show you how to remove the strap and how to put it back on your Meta Quest 3S. So let's get started. First of all, let's remove the sides and then I'll show you how to remove the top part. For the sides, it's quite easy. Take your thumb and you're gonna notice right over here, you see there's a line. Well, put it on this part of the strap and we simply need to do this movement like this. So okay, it will unclip it. It's very hard to break anything. Same thing on the other side. Simply put your thumb on this part that sticks out like that and simply twist your wrist to unclip it. Perfect. Now let's do the top part. This one is a bit more tricky. So first step is to remove the Velcro. And now let's pull it out. Simply pull it slowly like this. And here you may have some difficulties to pull it out completely. Well, what you need to do is to bring the second part that sticks out like this in a more vertical way. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, up and then pull. Okay, once you reach, okay, again pull more. With your thumb, you just need to push it so it stays in the upper position. And here we go, we got it out and nice. Now your strap is completely removed. What if you want to put it back? It's the same thing. I'll show you. Again, this will be the most tricky part. So let's start by putting the sides. To put the sides on, okay, simply latch it. You see where my thumb is over here, and then press with any fingers on the other extremity until it clips in place. Let's do the second part. Same thing. So I'll put this side first and then with any fingers I'll clip it back by pushing here, and you need to hear a click. Here we go. Now the top part, on Velcro it, and now you just have to try to fish it through the small loop in a more vertical way. Okay, I'll try to show you like this. And push down, okay? Push, push, and it will come out by itself. If you don't put it, let me just show you. If you try to put it on the side like this, it will not go. You see, I'm not able to put it. You absolutely need to insert it at 90 degrees and just by itself it will curve. Okay, whoops, like this, and then you can simply pull on it, adjust it and attach it back. So this is it. Now you have it. You have put back the straps of your Quest 3S. Thanks for watching. If you want to support my channel, check my MetaQuest referral link down below in case you want to get one of these or some games. You're gonna get a rebate and I also get some credit so I can buy games with it. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.